Given that 40c40 equals 40 factorial over 4 factorial b factorial, write down the value of b. In the binomial expansion 1 plus x to the 40, the coefficients of x to the 4 and x to the 5 are p and q respectively. Find the value of q over p. So let's have a look at this question then. So for part A, well, we're accustomed to writing 40c40, which is 40 factorial, over 4 factorial times the difference factorial, which is 36 factorial, and that's equal to 40 factorial 4 factorial b factorial. So that tells us that b must be 36, mustn't it? Next, in the binomial expansion of 1 plus x to the 40, the coefficients of x to the 4 and x to the 5 are p and q respectively. Find q over p. So 1 plus x to the n. Remember the formula, the bookwork. If I put the power in the right position, is equal to the summation between r equals 0 and n of ncr x to the r. So now the fourth term will be, let's scroll down a little bit, give ourselves some room. So let's move on to this part now. So here the x to the fourth term will be, so the x to the fourth term will give us nc4, won't it? So it's 40c4 is equal to p, and the x to the 5 term will give us 40c5, won't it, from the formula, and that's equal to q. So we now need to work out q over p, which will simply be 40c5, which is 40c5 over the 40c4. Let's work that out then. Give ourselves a little bit more room now. So it's 40 factorial, and the c5 will be 35 factorial underneath times 5 factorial, and this will be 40 factorial here over, and the thing that's underneath the bottom part swings up to the top, doesn't it? So it will be 36 factorial here times 4 factorial. So that's equal to, then the 40 factorials will cancel. This will cancel with that because it will just leave the 36, and the 4 will cancel with the 5 factorial, just leaving 5. So it's 36 over 5. Type it in the calculator if you need to. 7 5s are 35, so that's 7. 1/5 is left, so it's 7.2.